important is also the testing that we are doing. We are one of the few companies in Italy that has the testing machine. This machine is testing all our frames, and then of course we are also testing competition frames to compare. And then all our frames pass the new CEN testing, safety testing. And then also the forks are tested in this other machine. Those frames are for the Tour de France. You see, these ones are for the FASA team, and the other ones are for the Balears team. Those frames will be used for the time trials at the Tour de France. And then also these are the Montello frames for the Spanish national team. Also this one will be used for the World Cup race in track by the Spanish national team. Also the assembly is done by hand. You see, we are preparing all the frame by hand, and then all our frames are assembled with a fork in the factory. And then also the assembly of the complete bike are made by hand. Again, one of the most important characteristics of our company is that all frames are checked many times by individual people. As you can see, we don't have a big use of machines in this company, but everything is done by hand again. And then also for the assembling, we don't have a chain to assemble the bikes, but each bike is assembled by hand. You see, we are now assembling the fork, the headset on the frame. Then after that will be the fork assembled. Is checking carefully all the dimension. This is the BB checked. We have the new system, the MOST system, with the bearing inside, the oversized bearing inside. And then we have the master assembled, Piero, that is doing the job here. All bikes are assembled one by one on these positions. As you can see, there is no chain, but one bike is started and finished in the same position. This is Lino, is working for us since 25 years, doing the same job all the time. That means he has a very good experience. Just want to tell you some feature about magnesium. Magnesium, as you know, is the top material at the moment. We are producing our Dogma FP with a magnesium tubing. And then all the Fassa Bortolo team, including Petacchi, is using this frame. And the particularity of magnesium is that the molecular structure of magnesium is a little bit more open than regular 7,000 series of aluminium. That means that magnesium can shock absorb a little bit better than magnesium without losing any stiffness on the frame. This is a particularity of magnesium, and then Alessandro Petacchi is also taking advantage of the very good stiffness of this material. And then if you have a chance to see his print from the front view in ralenti, you can